As library schedules change, it may be necessary to adjust the hours open or days closed settings in Sierra. These settings contribute to how Sierra calculates due dates and fines by skipping over the days or hours that the library is closed. Once you've logged into Sierra, you can access the Hours Open table by clicking the Admin tab in the toolbar. Next, click Parameters, Circulation, and Hours Open. A new window will open showing all current settings. The location settings correspond to item locations in Sierra. Item locations can be listed individually to provide granular control over open hours. This would be beneficial if, for example, your library had a separate science library that kept different hours than the main library. Otherwise, you can enter a single item location that applies to the entire library. The first 7 entries in this table control the hours for one library. The D, followed by an asterisk or a wildcard, indicates any item location that starts with the letter D. Sierra reads this table from bottom to top, so specific item locations need to be listed below the general item locations. The day entries can either be added as general days of the week or as specific dates. If specific dates are to be used, they should be listed below the general days of the week. If a general day is used, enter the 3-letter abbreviation for that day. If a specific date is to be used, enter the month followed by the day. Sierra assumes that any date is within the current calendar year. The hours for open and closed are expressed in military time. 800 hours is 8 o'clock a.m. and 2400 hours is midnight. In the example on line 13, this location's Saturday hours start at 10 o'clock a.m. and end at 9 o'clock p.m. Note that in line 1, the closed hours start at 2600 hours. This is the value required when the location is open until 2 o'clock a.m. The highest value that can be added to this table is 2800 hours for 4 o'clock a.m. To change any of the existing values, double-click an entry or highlight an entry and click the Edit icon. Adjust the desired value and click OK. Additional entries can be added by highlighting a row and clicking the Insert icon. The new entry will be inserted into the row that was highlighted. To remove an entry, highlight a row and click the Delete icon. Once all adjustments have been made, click the Save icon and then the Close icon to save the changes. The Days Closed table works in a very similar way to the Hours Open table. Navigate to the Days Closed table by clicking the Admin tab in the toolbar. Then click Parameters, Circulation, and Days Closed. As with the Hours Open table, you can add, edit, or delete entries in this table. The Days Closed can be expressed as a recurring day of the week by adding a 3-character abbreviation, or it can be a specific date. Remember to click Save and Close to save any changes. If you have any questions, please contact us at libraries@ohio5.org.